And I'm happy that a foundation like the JAHJAH Foundation would have come on board to help us to get back to our feet as quickly as possible.
I understand they're donating zinc and some other building
Yes,
supplies.
and the building supplies, it couldn't come soon, because let me tell you what has happened now. We have a lot of private facilities, houses, hotels, and so that has been damaged. So it is a supply and demand.
Right.
So you find out, one, you can't get zinc, you can't get lumber, and if you do get them, the prices are doubled. My name is Lennox Wallace. I'm the parish manager for the St. James Public Health Services.
Right. So we're here, down here in this community called, is it Catchinum?
Yes.
Right. Tell us about how Hurricane Melissa affected this area.
All right, so Hurricane Melissa has done a bunch of damages here in St. James. I have to speak for the region as well, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover and Trelawney. But here in St. James, fact is this has been the worst area. I have a lot of staff working in this area that are severely damaged.
Right.
Some still without houses as we speak. So we have to find creative ways to house them until they can get back on their feet. The patients we are serving from tents at this moment, because the health center behind you has been severely damaged.
Right.
So
Was it through or flooded?
It has been flooded. And the Catchinum Health Center that is beside us has suffered tremendous damages. Medical records, the roof, a section of the roof, the partition that is inside has been severely damaged. Electrical and other supplies, equipment, brand new computers that we have never used before has been flooded out. So we are looking at probably an amount of about $35 million that has been damaged. Yeah, man, and it affects the community, because this is one of the health centers, the type 3, that serves the largest section of St. James, which is Bogue Village. We have about 3 housing schemes that are here. And in fact, it happened at a time when we wanted to open from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Wow.
Because the persons who house this community are persons who work in the BPO sector. You know that they come from work very late and so on, so because Montego Bay really don't sleep. So we have to find a way to serve the patients after 5 o'clock.
Right.
And it has hampered us somewhat. And I'm happy that a foundation like the JAHJAH Foundation would have come on board to help us to get back to our feet as quickly as possible.
I understand they're donating zinc and some other building
Yes,
supplies.
and the building supplies, it couldn't come soon, because let me tell you what has happened now. We have a lot of private facilities, houses, hotels, and so that has been damaged. So it is a supply and demand.
Right.
So you find out, one, you can't get zinc, you can't get lumber, and if you do get them, the prices are doubled.
Right.
So it is really a cat and mouse to see how we can get these things. And you know, as a government, we cannot breach procurement procedures.
Right.
So it's a wait and see.
The donations are timely.
It couldn't come too much.
Right.
I'm telling you. And that is why I come myself, just to say thank you to the managers of this foundation, and to tell you thanks. And it is something that it is manna from heaven, I can tell you.
Right.
And that is how much I value this donation.
Okay.
We are looking zinc in Kingston, in Mandeville, because it is just short here.
Zinc and lumber.
Zinc and lumber is short here in St. James. And we really thank this foundation for coming on board to assist us. Catherine Hall and St. James will benefit from this foundation.
Well, Mr. Wallace, thank you for speaking with me, and I hope you get back on your feet sooner.
And thank you.
Very soon.
Thank you.
Thank
God
you.
bless JAHJAH Foundation.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Thank you.